Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. I was looking for the perfect boho decor for my kitchen wall, and I found this beautiful set of boho wall baskets by Botaniclair. They are beautifully made. I love that they have neutral colors. They are nature inspired and they are handmade. You're going to see the quality from close up. They have the same design in the front and in the back, so it doesn't matter from which angle you're displaying it. You're also going to see that they come with this little hook, making it super easy to hang. It literally took my husband like 10 minutes to put these on the wall, and they look beautiful any way you choose to hang them. It can be vertical, horizontal, they can be together or apart. This set of 7 wall basket decor come beautifully packaged, making it the ideal gift for yourself or any loved one. So if you're trying to upgrade any wall on your house, either office, kitchen, or bedroom, I highly recommend this boho wall basket decor by Botaniclair. But that's just my point of view.